Breakup structure. I'm gonna finish eating these chips because I'm hungry. I'm starving. Sorry, but I'm hungry. And these are good right now. I feel like I'm getting sick. So I don't think blue Takis is the best thing for me to be eating right now. Even though I hate the blue flavor, the red flavor is so much better, bro. The blue flavor stinks, but I'm eating it. Now, breakup structure, what we're learning today is the first actual confluence that I'm going to be teaching you guys. A confluence, guys, is a sign, a piece of the puzzle. A confluence is a step, okay? A confluence is something that tells us, okay, we're ready to know if price is going to go up or down. Up or down. Shit. If price is going up or down. So, breakups also, I'm really sorry, guys. I had a bunch of you guys tell me yesterday or the day before that my face is way too big in these videos. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. Maybe that's too small. Maybe right there, right? Is right there good? Keep the money flipping, that's all I know. Been in and out of prison for a while. Okay. I think that's good, right? I can't see when it flips, so I'm just kind of imagining where my face is. Maybe let's make it a little smaller because my face doesn't really matter when I'm showing the charts. Keep the money flipping. All right. Breakup structure. Let me get off the daily time frame. 5 minute. Okay, guys. So, breakup structure, like I said, is so far in the series the first actual sign that I'm going to be teaching you guys. I haven't taught you guys any like real signs yet. All I've taught you guys was what a candlestick is and what an uptrend is. So now we're getting into the exciting stuff. You guys have been so impatiently waiting, and I love it. Wallah, I swear to God, I love it because when you guys are impatient, that obviously means you guys want to learn. That means you guys you guys want to be here, bro. You guys want it. You guys you guys are just waiting for the next thing to come up because you guys want to get good, and I love it. Okay, so there are a few things we use in our whole strategy, and breakup structure is one of them. So once you learn breakup structure, and then you learn the other one, the other one, and the other one, there's I think about I think three or four more, and then you guys are done. And then I teach you guys the strategy, and that's it. All right. So we got breakup structure today. What is breakup structure? Well, first of all, what is the word structure? Okay. What's structure? Structure is when something is like it's built. It's the right way. Okay. It's something built that's it's a structure of something. So what happens when that structure breaks? It's no longer how it was before. Okay? Breakup structure is something that's structured. It's normal, it's normal, it's normal, and then it breaks. Boom, 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 boom. As you guys can see with my hands, breakup structure is when price is going up, the structure is upwards, and then boom, we see our breakup structure. So we know when we can get in, down, and then we go shorting the market. Or if you guys want to go long, market's going down, 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 breakup structure. Now you know it's gonna go up. Boom, 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 boom. Breakup structure. And you get in here. Going down, 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 down. Breakup structure. Boom. Up, 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 up. Obviously, I do not want you guys to get the idea that we take trades just only based off of breakup structure. If you guys do that, you guys are going to lose a lot of money just like I did. Okay? So please don't do that. Breakup structure. What is the structure that we see here? Right? We see we're going down, 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 down. We're going down. Okay? So where do we stop going down? Okay? We stop going down around here. All right? Now what is a breakup structure and how can we find it to know that we are going up? Or we're going down. Where is the most previous high that we made? Okay? Where's the most previous high? The most previous high is right here. Okay? All of our down candles are coming down here. And our most previous high is this little wick, this little blue candle. Okay? Because for me, I have my up candles as blue and my white candles as down. So I'll also get into teaching you guys why I have different color candlesticks. That's the more advanced that you guys get though. It's actually very easy. It's just a psychology trick because green and red messes with your brain. So you're going to start trading a lot more emotionally with green and red colors for your chart. With things like white and blue, you won't have very much emotions in your trade. You just look at the charts as they are. Instead of seeing green, oh, we're going up, and then if seeing red, oh my god, we're going down. No. When charts are different colors than red and green, it doesn't mess with your psychology as they would if they were red and green. But, here we go. We're going down. This is our most previous high. Okay. Let's mark out our most previous high. Okay. We marked it out. Now, we're going up. When we pass our most previous high, okay, it has to be, I'm sorry, it's this candle. Wow, I am bugging out tonight because it is the two candles combined. That's a low. Oh my god. What is going on with me? I'm sorry I confused you guys. Let me refresh you guys. Candlesticks, ups and downs, uptrends and downtrends. These two candles combined make the high. Okay, so here's the high. All right, we stop going down. Here's our uptrend. All right, or here's our high. What? Am I bugging? Our high is here. What is wrong with me? I am bugging. Jeez. Here's the low, and here's the high. I'm sorry, guys. I really just confused a lot of you guys. I'm sorry. It's late. I've had a hell of a night yesterday, and I've had a long day today. Wow. That's our high, okay? Now, when we broke past our high, this right here is a break of structure. As soon as we break past that high, it's a break of structure, okay? But it has to be the candle closure, okay? It has to be the actual body of the candle and not the wick, okay? So let's say that this candle, let's say that this wick went up to here and came back down, okay? Is this a break of structure? No, it's not because it's only the wick that went past and it came back down, okay? It does not count as a break of structure if only the wick goes up and comes back down. It has to be the entire body of the candle, because remember when I first explained candlesticks to you guys? Body, wick, wick, okay? Body in the middle, wick at the top, wick at the bottom. So it has to be the entire body of the candle that goes above our most previous high, okay? This is our most previous high, not this one. That's another previous high, okay? I'm talking about the most recent high. Our most recent high is right here. We did not pass with, let me get this out of here so I don't confuse you guys. We did not pass it here, okay? But even if it did, it's actually a very good example for you guys. I'll keep that there. Even if it did, okay, this is still not a break of structure. The wick coming up past it is not a break of structure. It's when the next candle comes and the body closes. You see how, remember, we have open and close for up candles? We opened below it and we closed above our line, above our structure break, above our most previous high. Okay? Boom. Not a break of structure because it's only the wick. Is a break of structure because we pushed through with the body. And as you can see, once we broke structure, we started coming up. We rallied. We were going down, 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 down. Here, broke structure, came back down a little bit, boom, rallied up. All right. And this coming back down a little bit is what I'm going to teach you guys next. Okay. There's a name for this. I don't want to give you guys too much and confuse you guys, so I'm just going to keep it very simple. Let's find another break of structure. All right. Here. I'm going short. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. All right. We're going on. We're going long. We're going to start here. We're going long, 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 long. Okay. We upped about, what is this? 40 up to, okay. We upped about almost 90 points. It's a lot of freaking points, guys. Now, when did we break structure on the way back down? Okay. Where's our most previous low? Right here. Boom. Most previous low. Up candle, up candle, up candle, down candle. Boom. There's our most previous low. Okay, these two candles combined. Yes, I'm sure of it this time. Sorry. These two candles combined. That's our most previous low. Coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. And then we make more lows in the process of that, okay? So if we had just gone straight down, that would have been a break of structure. But we didn't. We created more lows into it, okay? So where's our next low? This is choppy, so these are kind of difficult to tell with. I hate these little chops. Let me find a better example for you guys because these chops are they're not good. But you know what? We could go on the 15-minute and we could still look at this exact same example. If it saved my, there we are. I was about to say, guys, that would have not been good. Wow. Bro, this is probably the messiest video I think I'm ever gonna release. Tonight is not my night. Sorry, guys. But I think with the last example, you guys pretty much understand what break of structure is. I'm just trying to show you guys more examples of it. Okay. Here's a break of structure right here. We're going up, 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 consolidating right here. We're, moving side to side to side to side. Where's our most previous high? Right here. Not this one. Just because it's the highest high, it doesn't matter. The most previous high is right here. Okay. Boom. That's our most previous high. Now we're going up, 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 up. Break past it. The body broke past it. Okay. The body broke past it. And we went up. Boom. Those are the little moves you guys can catch points on. That's the little moves you guys can catch some money on. All right. It's another one. I want to find one going short for you guys. All right. Right here. Biggest drop in gold's history right here. That's actually a fact if you guys don't know that. All right. Where's our break of structure, boys? This should be an easy one. Okay. Where's our most previous low? Right? Most previous low here. Okay. Our most previous low is right there. Okay. Down, down, down. We're going up, down, 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 down. Here's a beautiful example. I love this one. Yes. Okay. Perfect. All right. Here's our most previous low. Yes. We came down. The wick came below. I want to get the crosshairs off because this messes people up sometimes. But the wick came down below our most previous low. But then it came back up and price closed right here, closed above the most previous low. So we haven't broke structure yet. Even though this wick came past it, even though this wick right here, this wick, even though that came past it, just because it came past does not mean that it's a break of structure. Okay? This is where we broke structure. You guys see that? Right there is where we broke structure. Why is that where we broke structure? Because the body closed. Okay? This body closed below the candle. I mean below the most previous low. Okay? Not this, not the wick, the body. All right? And as you can see, once we broke structure, literally the biggest drop in all of gold's history. Gold dropped like 600 and some points this day. Let me see. I can't even see. Oh my god. Here we go. 450 points. Yeah. That's a lot, bro. That is a lot of freaking points. All right. So that's a perfect prime example of what break of structure is. All right. Coming down. This wick did not break structure because it came back up. Price came back up. The body of this candle closed. We broke structure. We can look for our entry here. If it meets with our other confluences, of course, not just only off of break of structure. I'm begging you guys, if you guys are trading with money, please, 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 please do not trade only off of break of structures. It is going to mess you up so badly. One of my biggest mistakes was trading off of break of structures. I would see them everywhere. Break of structure, we're going long. Down 500 in my account. Break of structure, we're going short. Short the market, short the market. Down a band. Oh, that shit hurt, boys. Shit hurt. Okay? Do not take trades only off of break of structure. Alright? Do you guys want one more example? Raise your hands. I don't want any more examples. I'm joking. I always want the examples. I always want them. I love the examples. I love it. I love it. I love the examples. Perfect. Right here. Keep the money flipping. That's all I know. All right. We're going up. Okay. We finished with this move down. People are like, yes, the price of gold is coming back. Coming back. Coming back. Broke structure. Right there. Get shit on. Bang. Everybody, we see a we see green candles. We're going up, guys. Oh my god, we didn't break structure on this move down. We didn't break structure on this move down. We must be going up. Yes, yes. Shit on. Literally shit on. Broke structure, and everybody that was going long, see you. See you friggin' later. Let me keep this PG. Sayonara. You guys all got cooked. Okay? Here's our most previous low. Let's actually show you guys where it didn't work. Did it work over here? Our most previous low is right here. Right here. Right here. Did we come down and break it? No, we didn't. Not even close. Okay. Here's our next most previous low. Did we come down and break it? Not even close. Where is our next most previous low? Right here. Did we break it? No, we did not. Okay, we just made another low. Oh, here's our next low. Okay. Did we break it? Okay. Yes, we did. And you can even call this our most previous low. I'm just looking at the ones that really matter. We call those prominent lows and highs, prominent highs and lows. Those are better to look at. But here's our most previous low. Did we break it? Boom, yes we did. As soon as we broke it, get shit on. Everyone just made some money going short. Everybody going long. God help you. Alright, I would have hated that. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so that's breakup structure, guys. I really, really, really hope that you guys understood that because I think that breakup structure is very, very easy to understand. Okay. All you need to know is that with the most recent low or the most recent high, you mark that out. Okay. Do you break it switching directions? Okay. So if we have a low, all right, and we're going up, 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 we make a low. Do we break that low with the body, not the wicks? Do we break that low on a move down? If so, it's safe to say we're going to be going down because we broke structure on the upwards. You guys know the upwards isn't only up, 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 up. You're going up, 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 down, make a low, up, 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 down, make a low, up, 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 down, make a low. There's your low. So when you break that low, when you go below it, because just in my last video, trends, higher highs and higher lows. So when you make a lower low, when it breaks the trend, that's your breakup structure. Okay, I'm going to show you guys one really good example on this. Okay, so glad my shit is touchscreen. Okay, all right. What is this? From my last video, what is this? An up, say it with me, guys. An uptrend. It's an uptrend. Why is it an uptrend? High, high, low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. All right. Do we get it? Do we get it? Higher highs and higher lows. Now, boom, 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 boom. All right. Where's our breakup structure? Somebody point out where our breakup structure is. Okay. Where's our most previous low? Bang. It's our most previous low. Did we break structure here? No. Came back up. Did we break structure here? No. Came back up. Did we break structure here? Yes. It is now a downtrend. Only once it breaks structure can we call it a downtrend. We can't call it a downtrend here, okay? Just because it made one or two higher or lower highs and lower lows doesn't make it a downtrend. This is a consistent uptrend, okay? Once we break structure on it, here's our most previous low. Once we break structure on it, then it can be called a downtrend, okay? Now is a downtrend. Here, uptrend, all right? Uptrend. I'm gonna. You guys ever see that clip? All right. This is an uptrend. Why is it an uptrend? We're making steady highs and steady lows, higher highs and higher lows to be specific. This is a downtrend, but when does it turn into a downtrend? When? Right here, my fellow folks. Right here. Bang. Bang. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing bong. Bing bong! We made it! Alright. Right there. Downtrend. Starts right there. And what is that? Your BOS. Break of structure. Does everybody get it? Beautiful. I don't even think this video needed to be this long. I just wanted to make sure that you guys get it. Because a lot of people think that it's the wick. A lot of people think that it's like 5 lows behind, not your most previous low. It has to be the most previous low. Okay? We're gonna get into prominent highs and lows later, but you guys need to understand most previous low. Okay? You guys are like one step closer to like the whole pie. You guys got some pieces of the puzzle now, bro. You guys are getting actually really, really close. I swear. You guys feel like you guys are far, but you guys are very, very close. Once I start giving you guys everything, you guys are gonna be like, oh, okay, so this goes with this, and this goes with this, right? And this goes with that. And you could put them all together, and why is there 10 grand in my bank account? That's exactly what it's gonna sound like, bro. That's exactly what it's gonna be like. You're gonna find the pieces of the puzzle that you put together. Well, I just realized what I was doing with my laptop. What the hell? You're gonna find the pieces of the puzzle that go together. All right. And then you're gonna say, okay, break of structure goes with an uptrend. Then we go switch to a downtrend. We swept liquidity. We fill the fair value gap. We inverse the fair value gap. We fill the equilibrium, and we're golden. Boom. Once you know that everything comes together, holy why is there money in my bank account? Where did this come from? Okay? I promise you guys are very, very close. Not that far. All right? All right. So, I hope the camera wasn't too big this time. But yeah. Break of structure, guys. Very simple, very easy. I think I do a pretty good job at explaining. Maybe not tonight. Tonight was probably the worst video I've ever put out for you guys. I am genuinely sorry. My hair's a mess. I'm a mess. Crispy ass lineup though, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah. Break of structure. Stay tuned for the next one. Next we're gonna go over, I wanna say, I'm not sure, but I will surprise you guys, but it's gonna be one or two things. Okay, one of two things. All right. All right. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.